You see, that's the new batteries. See how they're packed? Check this thing out. It's pretty cool. I never seen like that. They packed very well. You see, and it has on the bottom, one on the bottom, and that's how the battery looks. You see, anyone want interesting? See, there's the battery. It has 220 minutes, 1150 crankcase. That's Odyssey battery. The old one, see the old one, lasted 730,000 miles over 5 years, almost 6 years lasted. Yeah, and then that's the address what I ordered from California. New batteries. See guys, the battery, Odyssey battery. This battery has 720,000 miles. Original battery lasted only 180,000 miles. Packard battery, and after that I replaced with these batteries, and now they lasted 730,000. Now I have, if it sits 12 hours, more than 12 hours, I have to jumper cable. Now I'm gonna have to replace new ones. See the group? Crankcase. These batteries took a lot of abuse. A couple times I went out of fuel and couldn't start the truck. Then I slipped, was freezing outside, I couldn't start the truck. Took forever to warm up the engine, then start the truck. And I don't have solar power, and I never slip a truck on, all the time shutting down. And in the winter, I have e-spark heater. Plus I have fridge, microwave. I make my own coffee, tea in my truck. So these batteries takes our truck a lot of abuse and lasted for 6 years, 720,000 miles. And this, it's on the second truck I have the same battery. Now I replaced with the same type of batteries because I like the batteries. That's it. And that's how I fixed this.
See how nice it looks.
If anyone interesting, I recommend. I know it's a little bit overpriced, but for RV and semi trucks, if you have one solar panel or never start the truck, don't have microwave, fridge,
Electrical
or e-spark heater, that will last even longer. Because mine took a lot of abuse, and I have microwave,
another 700,000 miles. Everything goes.
Fridge and all that stuff. It takes a lot of abuse. My advice, I recommend take